I want to give you a breakdown what Threekit is doing in the world of building materials because it's our fastest growing overall category. So it's midnight. Your architects, your contractor, your buyer, they're out there looking for a solution. Does your website right now only offer a contact sales button? What modern businesses in the building material space are doing is they are essentially enabling contractors, architects, buyers to configure their product in real time, get an idea of pricing, specs, and of course, the visualization and seeing that product in space and knowing that they're getting the right thing, that they can submit that to their client or that they can in fact buy it on their own. So that's one example. Another is designers. Designers want to see something beautiful. So give them that visual experience. Let them see it in daytime, in nighttime, add products, get inspired from scenes. And again, they're seeing that bill of materials, the pricing all in real time. Now, what about parametric configuration? What if you have a product that could be 2 feet wide or 6 feet wide? And what does that mean to other parts of your product? Threekit offers parametric configuration. And so this is its own visual rules engine that's really particular and really special in the world of building materials. What if you want to do space planning? A lot of our customers want to put multiple products in a particular space. If you're planning out a room and you need windows in a certain fashion, architecturally and structurally, those are really important things about where they go. What about 2D renders? A lot of people think that Threekit is only for 3D, but we also do incredible lifelike 2D renders with our virtual photographer product. You can see here, you're seeing this faucet in scenes. You're able to configure the product, and it's just this amazingly beautiful, inspiring thing. And then another concept, which is just very, very, very powerful, is Threekit represents your digital twin. Your rules, your criteria, if you have a configurator or a pricing engine or an e-commerce, we plug right in there. There's no one between Threekit and your manufacturing who has to translate that digital order into something real. You can automate that with our composable platform. So listen, whether you're looking to do 3D, 2D renders, you're looking to do space planning, parametric configuration, augmented reality, which I didn't even get into, you can see your product in real time. Building materials is our fastest growing category, and we're just seeing buyers, contractors, architects really starting to ask for this and pull this into the industry, and we're super excited to share it.